Crafts. Today I am going to bling out this sign. This is my oldest daughter's name. Her name is Hope. And a friend of hers purchased this little Hope sign somewhere. I'm not sure where he purchased it from, but I'm thinking it was thrifted. But she really likes it and she wants me to bling it out. So this is just a DIY to show you how to add bling to some of your thrifted finds. So let's just turn it around. And I just kind of like wiped it off. Here's a couple of little things to hang it on the wall. But it can sit on the counter or hang it on the wall. To start this project off, I'm going to use some of this Craftsmart metallic paint. And it's in silver. And I have some in this container already. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush this on the back. Wherever you see white, that's where I'll be adding the silver paint. And as you can see, it's going to take a couple of coats. Okay guys, I'm back and this is after 3 coats of the acrylic paint. So all that I'm going to do now is add the bling, and I'll be using a little bit of hot glue and some of this FIXALL. Alright, so let's just get started. I determined earlier that I needed at least 2 rows to cover the outside of the lettering. So I'm going to go ahead and use this right here, this extra bling that I have. And I also have this roll that I can use to cut some more when I need it. I think I'm going to start on the end with the E. So I'm just going to put a dab of hot glue right at the bottom. So I'm just going to follow the corners and curves of this E until it's completely covered. So I think I'm going to need to get a popsicle stick just to get inside here. So I'll be right back. So I have my popsicle stick. So I'm just going to spread it out. I'm going to put some more underneath here.